Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I haven't done a video like this. It's always been an outside video, but today's video, you guys know, if I do a video at my house, it has to be an install video. A lot of people ask me where my side skirts are from. They're from Amazon. They're 3-piece, but these are one of the, at the beginning they were cool and all because they were fresh, but I think over time, since they're plastic, the sun beats them up, so they get all wavy and they get faded, as you guys could tell right there. And that's like literally one of my pet peeves for the Z. But yeah, the headlights and the side skirts are kind of like my main concerns right now to fix up the Z. Headlights are kind of in a rough state, but I'm just waiting for the depot headlights to be back in stock, and I'm for sure gonna pick myself some headlights. And side skirts on the other side, you guys are gonna see the new side skirts that I got from the company. I'll explain that a little bit more when we get there. But damn, these side skirts that I got, man, I haven't opened them, but online they look really good. They're 1-piece, so these are gonna be out to the garbage, and finally Z is gonna be looking at 1-piece when everything is put on. But these side skirts, they're really affordable, and at the beginning they look pretty cool, but over time the sun beats them up and they get all wavy. But for the price, if you guys don't want to spend so much money on side skirts, these are it, bro. The Z literally needs a wash because I don't really drive it. I have literally my bucket now over there. I drive that shit everywhere. So if you guys trying to build a race car, you guys have to get like a bucket, man, because now I could daily this shit, but I really want to go 85, and having a bucket so much easier. I can't be having the Z as a daily anymore. All right, guys, now time to show you guys the actual side skirts. So this is the company that I bought the side skirts from. All right, guys, so I haven't opened up the side skirts yet, just because I wanted to get my first reaction with you guys. And they got delivered yesterday, but I was trying to wait on opening them because I'm gonna spoil it for myself. But I wanted to get the first reaction with you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up the box and see the side skirts for the first time. Alright, guys, like I said, I didn't want to open them yesterday when I got them. Damn, I priced.
Oh my god.
Bro, I just hella scratched them. La verga.
Show it. Oh my god, Alex.
I'm hella fucking. Well, there you go.
I'm surprised you're not mad. Let me turn off the camera really quick. Turn off the camera really quick.
No, leave it open.
It's a joke. I'll insert a little video when he's cussing the world out after.
Well, there you go, my first mistake. I went too far deep in. I'll burn it. All bad.
No.
Not really.
No, you can't tell.
Wow.
No, to be honest, you can't tell at all. Nah.
Yeah, you fucking can.
No, you can't.
That's a big ass scratch right there.
Well, whose fault is that? Just buy another one.
Fuck no, they're expensive. Oh yeah.
Oh wow.
Boom.
Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ.
Tell me these don't look better than. Here, let me put it on the other side. Oh, it's fucked it up more.
Alex!
You can definitely see it right there.
Oh my god, you treat them like shit. Come on, bro. Oh my god.
Bro, compare these, look.
Oh my god, that's gross.
Tell me they don't look 10 times better.
They do, they look beautiful.
The only reason why I wanted to get these is because they literally match this type of carbon fiber. Even though it's a little dirty, but it matches. Like if you guys could tell right here from that one, definitely not the same. But if you put this one, oh yeah. Bro, I'm so pissed right now. Fuck. Oh well, it is what it is. But yeah, that's why I wanted to get new side skirts, just because that one was really faded. And when I was at the show, that's kind of what like triggered me. I didn't want to fucking, I don't know, it was weird. But yeah, today we're gonna be installing these new side skirts, and hopefully we could have time and wash the Z, because the Z literally needs a wash. So there you go, guys. These are the easy splitters. Yes, there you go. That's how the quality looks like. Mine is my scratch, but I'm really impressed how these are. Definitely this is what I was looking for, and just the way these are, man, these are so freaking beautiful. You guys know me, I love carbon fiber, and definitely a good little touch for the Z. Mood. When you invite her on a date, but it's actually to put car parts on the Z. Who else can relate? Literally, this install is so freaking easy. All you need is some self-tappers and somebody to help you out to adjust where you want to put them. And yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm about to set you guys down here and enjoy this little montage. Alright guys, so one side done, just need to do the passenger side. But check this out, bro, these look so freaking good. Bruh, they look so freaking good. Yep, I love how these are just one piece and you can't even tell that it's all wavy and sheet. What's up, bro? And also, one thing that I love about these side splitters is that they literally match all the carbon fiber. If you guys know me, I'm really picky with my carbon fiber. I redid the whole carbon fiber just so it could be one match. You shit.
I was trying to move it.
But yeah, guys, if you guys know me, I redid the whole carbon fiber just could be one piece, all one wave, and these match really good with the fenders. If you guys could tell right there, you can see it. Bro, look how bad these were. If I didn't show you guys, these are the old ones, these are the new ones, and you guys could definitely tell the difference right away. These are the ones that I got from Amazon. A lot of people hit me up for these, and I can tell you now, invest $300 more into these side splitters from Easy Splitters, and I'll guarantee you it will satisfy you, because I should have done this a long time ago, and those are crappy. Very high quality too. The carbon, if you guys can see right there, really nice. The only downfall is that these are made to order, so I did wait like 4 to 6 weeks for them, but it was worth the wait. Bro, honestly right now it's like the most nerve-wracking thing, because if I don't align this right, it's gonna look awful. But what I'm trying to do is align. Give me a second. Sheesh. Hello 5-0. What I'm trying to do is align this with the tire so it could look really flush, and have this part, this point, align with the tire as well. But yeah, going through it, that's the only nerve-wracking thing to do. This side, I already got it. Peep it out. You guys can tell all the way in the end, in the corner, it's aligned towards the tire, and right here it's aligned towards the tire. And just like that, the new side skirts are on. So much better. 10 out of 10 recommend. One piece instead of the 3-piece. Should have got this a long time ago. Like I've always said it, don't cheap out on your car parts. Always buy once, not twice. But peep it out though. Really good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wash the Z so it could be all clean. And yeah, looks freaking good. All I need is new headlights, but literally waiting for the company to drop more. Should be soon. These, thank you for your time, but you guys are definitely trash now.
Just so you guys can see the behind the scenes of all the GoPro footage. This man holds it in his mouth and he literally has a headset for it. But you know what? It's okay. It's okay.
And just like that, the Z is finished. Man, this shit looks really good with the 1-piece side skirt. Sheesh. Look at that beauty. Obviously, I just finished washing the Z, so it looks 10 times better like this. Bruh, tell me this front end is not aggressive. Fuck. This shit's so beautiful. A little walk around of the C. Some fat tires, 305s in the back. Sheesh. I did end up wrapping those a little tint so it could look a lot better than how it was, but they look freaking good. Look at those side skirts though. Fat ass booty. But yeah guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up and make sure you guys subscribe.